Hi there! In this video, I'll tell you what you need to feed carrots with right now to make the root crop grow big and even. Because right now, in this state, the carrots are already starting to form it, and we need to help them so that they can thank us with a big harvest. In the evening, I watered my carrot bed with water so that the water was absorbed deeply, and this fertilization that I will do now will be absorbed faster by the carrots. And I will use potassium humate for fertilizing. This company has a product called HumiFriend. Its composition is rich in potassium salts of humic and fulvic acids. It also has amino acids and succinic acid for growth, which I recently talked about in my other videos, as well as many trace elements that will help carrots grow large and even. These include sulfur, magnesium, zinc, iron, manganese, boron, copper, silicon, molybdenum, and cobalt. I will fertilize according to the manufacturer's instructions. You should also follow the instructions if you buy from another manufacturer. This manufacturer recommends using 35 milliliters per 10 liters of water. One cup of this fertilizer is 15 milliliters, so I will use 2.5 cups. The main thing is to mix it well, let it brew for at least a minute, and you can already feed the carrots. The consumption of this solution is as follows: 10 liters per 2 square meters. This is taking into account the fact that yesterday I spilled my garden. Thus, costs are much lower and absorption is much faster. The benefit of using potassium humate is that it activates the growth and development of the root system and the ground part of the plant. This is very important for root crops. In addition, it increases the fertility of the soil itself by introducing beneficial microorganisms into the soil. And then, after another 15 days, I repeat this fertilization again. And when the roots are ripe, I will use another fertilizer that will make the roots even bigger and tastier. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Do not miss the release of this video. I wish you a good day and see you in the next videos.